look, it's Woodsy Owl.
Hey, check it out, Woodsy. It's the Amigos del Bosque, or the Friends of the Forest. And they're picking up trash and recycling it, too. I bet you they know one of your conservation messages.
Yeah, give a hoot, don't pollute.
And Woodsy, I bet you these Amigos del Bosque, or Friends of the Forest, know your other important message, too.
Yeah, lend a hand, care for the land.
That's right, Tracy. And Woodsy Owl has another important message to help us all learn how to lend a hand and care for the land. And does anybody know Woodsy's 4 R's?
Reduce, reuse, recycle, rot!
Woodsy Owl's 4th R is rot, and that means compost. So today, the Amigos del Bosque, or Friends of the Forest, are going to share Woodsy Owl's rubbish rot rap. Take it, amigos!
Woodsy in the house?
Yo, yo.
Woody's here with an owl rap about taking garbage off the map. Trash from your breakfast yesterday can turn into plant food the Woodsy way.
It's the rubbish rot, it's the rubbish rot. Y'all think it's garbage, but it's not.
Take eggshells, coffee grounds, add some dirt. Even earthworms wouldn't hurt.
Stir it gently with a wooden spoon while I sing more of this garbage tune.
It's the rubbish rot, it's the rubbish rot. Y'all think it's garbage, but it's not.
Kids love bananas, they taste so sweet. Add their peels to a rotten tree.
Pour in some water, put the bucket outside. In about 6 weeks,
Compost time! It's the rubbish rot, it's the rubbish rot. Y'all think it's garbage, but it's not.
All the yuck and the muck has gone away. What's left is plant food, nature's way.
the rubbish rap is about to end.
Now sing it with me and my Woodsy friend.
It's the rubbish rot, it's the rubbish rot. Y'all think it's garbage, but it's not. It's the rubbish rot, it's the rubbish rot. Y'all think it's garbage, but it's not. Go Woodsy, go Woodsy, go Woodsy, go Woodsy!